Today we're setting up my EcoTank, my brand new printer, the Epson, which way is it? Today in the vlog we're setting up my new printer, the Epson EcoTank E5500. As you can see it in the corner there, I had to upgrade and get a new printer because sadly my EcoTank 2710, the ink pad near in life message, not the one you want to get. But I have had that printer for quite a few years, I think since 2020 or 2021. So it was time to upgrade. It has done a lot of printing for me, and whilst the timing of the printer going to sleep in December was not brilliant because I was in the middle of doing Christmas markets, I am grateful to now have this new printer, which sometimes printers just randomly make noises and I could just not be touching it. Anyway, so we're going to try printing some of the new print collection to see what that looks like on the new printer, and I have to say this has been one of the easiest setups I've had to endure with printing. And I love printing, but sometimes the setup and the technical side can be a challenge and a learning curve. However, this experience was a game changer. I had to download an app and the app walked me through the process. It was really quite simple and quite fast, if I say so. Also, I didn't time it, but it didn't take me long, maybe 15-20 minutes tops. So I'm really excited to print out a few different things and see what the quality of the print is, because this printer in particular has more inks. So I think there's 6 inks that go into this one, which is an upgrade from the 4 that I had in my previous printer. So I'm really excited to see what the quality of print is like and the mix.
It gave me time for my day to get going on actual projects. It really just made everything feel more achievable. So if you're worried about video quality, don't worry.
Wow, that is incredible. Something I love to do in my business is create art that inspires people's world. I don't just look at prints and cards as objects or items to be sold. For me, they're seeds of change, and it may not always be in the designs or the messages, but it might be in the fact that we have sustainable practices in place. However, I do want to inspire and encourage you today, so I thought I would show you a little piece of art that I've shared on my Instagram and TikTok platform this week that you could check out. And if you like it, please do check me out and like and follow on those channels. It means the world. So I hope that you have enjoyed today's vlog. Thank you so much for joining me, and I look forward to seeing you in the next video. Don't forget to frame your words so you can frame your world.